God gang, what's up with it? Big Brando back with another one. Yes, sir. And man, I know I ain't been dropping this shit, man. Like, I gotta start back dropping. I said in my last video I was gonna be dropping like 2 videos a week, and I ain't even dropped in like damn near 3 weeks. And before that, it was like 4 months. But yeah, man, we got a video dropping, man. It's a slight banger. It's gonna be on the past couple weeks for real. I was getting footage of us, the group racing, donuts, burning out, all type of shit, man. And I'm gonna just throw that all in one video, so y'all stay tuned for that. And what the fuck did I do? I had man, we was drunk as fuck, man, like 2 weeks ago, and I'm out there spinning my shit and hit a motherfucking like a pole. It was like a center block and it had like a pole in it. Smacked that motherfucker with my back tire, and that bitch flew like fucking 10 yards. It was far as fuck. I'm gonna try to throw that clip in here if I can find that shit. But that shit was funny as fuck, I ain't gonna lie. And I had to get my fucking power steering fixed. Like, my power steering was shot after that. It was fucked up after that. Like, it was from me doing the donuts. So I was trying to tip that motherfucker, I ain't gonna lie. It wasn't spinning how I wanted it to, but I was trying to tip that shit, and I fucking blew my fucking power steering and shit. I got that shit done in like the next 2 days, and shit, that was pretty much it. I ain't fuck up nothing on the outside, the exterior. I ain't fuck up shit. But yeah, man, I just had to let y'all know that, man. In the game, shit, we fuck up, man. Gotta get it fixed. We know what these cars come with. We know what they do, and sometimes shit happens. But yeah, man, let's get back to this video, and yeah, about to see these clips from the past couple weeks. Let's get it. And, oh yeah, I damn near forgot, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. That's the #1 thing. Go subscribe, watch the video. It's gonna be a good video. And I'm about to pop my Instagram up right there. Make sure y'all go follow my Instagram, and let's get to this video. Yes, sir! Smoky as fuck.
Splash.
Let's go, Brando.
Splash.
Go, Brando. Let's go.
So yeah, basically this is a different view, and my nigga, he was playing some music, and I ain't trying to get copyrighted for that shit, so y'all just gonna have to bear with the no audio for like a good minute or so. And yeah, man, if anybody got any instrumentals or music they can send me so I can put it in my background, I'm gonna drop my email in the description, so somebody can send me some music or something, because I definitely need some so I can throw it in my background.
Choice, I ain't gonna lie. I was like, damn, I should have did that. I was
How you
like, damn,
doing?
I should have went ahead.
Oh, now you want to speak.
Bro, I should
Man. Ooh. Ooh. And we got the bike out here. Yes, sir. Space in the back. Y'all see what the fuck going on, man. Y'all see what the fuck going on, man. Y'all see what the fuck going on? Alright, man, that's it for the video, and hope y'all like that. It was all type of stuff going on in there, for real. I put some pictures and shit in there too. But yeah, man, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Push that notification bell so y'all miss none of my videos, and I'll catch y'all up on another one. Yes, sir.